Looking for an adorable, quick, and satisfying crochet project? This mini flower is exactly what you need. Follow along, and you'll have a charming pair of flower earrings in no time. Today, we're crocheting these adorable mini flowers. They're quick to make and perfect as earrings or small accessories. We'll be using a 2.0mm crochet hook. Choose any color yarn you like. Insert your hook into the loop. Chain 3. Yarn over. Work a puff stitch in the ring, made of 5 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the ring. Repeat the sequence until you have 5 puff stitch groups. Slip stitch into the ring. Pull up the loop and cut the yarn. Fasten off. Find the yarn tail and tighten to close the circle. Use a crochet hook or yarn needle to weave in the ends, then cut the yarn. Make a second flower the same way. If you like, you can glue on a pearl in the center, just like this. Open a jump ring. Attach it to the flower. Add the ear hook, then close the jump ring securely. And just like that, your mini flower earrings are finished. Cute, quick, and handmade with love. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and try it in different colors. I can't wait to see what you create.